Welcome to the practical part of Evil Twin method. I am using Wi-Fi Slacks 4.11 for this session. As you can see on your screen, there are many options available. You can choose third option, change to English menu, but sometimes it doesn't work, so I opt for first option. Then again select first option, which is by default selected. Now it initializing Wi-Fi Slacks. And I have to pause this video as it takes around 2 minutes to start. And here is the desktop of Wi-Fi Slacks. Now open the terminal given below along with Chrome and Start button. Now type linset. To open this method, linset is not a social engineering tool. Now linset is starting in a while, and it only works when it gets our external wireless adapter. If you want to use your internet wireless adapter, then you have to either install Wi-Fi Slacks on your physical machine or make a pendrive bootable with Wi-Fi Slacks and then run it. You can download ISO of Wi-Fi Slacks from internet, and for this go to the Google and type index of Wi-Fi Slacks ISO. Okay. Now select first option, because we have only one wireless adapter available here. Now again select the first option to start monitoring process. And when you get the name of your target Wi-Fi here, then stop this process by pressing Ctrl+C. But for now we have to wait until we get the name of our wireless router here on our screen. I got the Wi-Fi name and one other device connected to it, and when I stop the process by pressing Ctrl+C, I get this screen. Okay, now select first option and press enter, as it is the only available Wi-Fi. Now again choose the first option, which is recommended by your system. Now press enter. Select aircrack-ng. Again select the first option. Now it starts the DOS attack and looking for WPA handshake. As you can see, we got the handshake. Now it's time to confuse our target by making a clone of target Wi-Fi. And for this, close the terminal and select the first option. Then again select the first option. Now select your language. I selected English for now. It started the process. Now we have to wait until our target gets into it. Actually we have two access points with the same name. And when our target clicks on fake Wi-Fi and tries to connect, then a login page opens up asking for password to connect, as you can see on your screen. Okay. But for this session I am using Firefox. Okay. You will soon receive the same login page which can appear on your Chrome, but I want to open this page in my Firefox, because Chrome has such a security that it doesn't send the password our target types in. So I prefer Firefox for this practical, and as I type the original password and press enter, I get the same password in my Wi-Fi Slacks in a while. Okay. It takes around 15 to 20 seconds to get the original password. After user enters the original password, all processes get stopped and shows the password on your screen. Yes, it is the original password of my target Wi-Fi. Okay. and until user doesn't click on fake Wi-Fi, he is not able to use his original Wi-Fi. So that's it for this tutorial.